Hi everybody, I'm Aiden.
And I'm Harley.
And we taught today the Uptown Swing Balboa class. It's an intro to Balboa, week 1. So a little summary of the stuff we did. We started by shuffling solo. Every beat, quick, 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 quick. We asked people to move around the room and also take some slow steps. Balboa is about mixing up quicks and slows. You can just kind of cruise around in different directions that way. We also did what we did is called an Uphold Pattern. This is what our basic looked like connected. 1, 2, wait, step, step, wait, step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. The idea is that you are doing quick, and then gather one foot to the other before you take your next step. Leaders and followers are kind of a mirror image of each other. We can also move that just linearly, mostly in place, or we can drift around rotationally or in a line. So I might do my basic gently drifting in a circle, or kind of moving down a line a little bit. Whatever you can make work. The last little movement we tried was a promenade position. So out of our basic step, we opened up like a book and went for a walk. Basic first, and around if you're counting 5, 6, we opened up, took a walk, and then closed it off. There was also the option for the leaders to take an extra couple of quick steps during the closing it off. So if you're already in promenade, leaders could go quick, slow. Show that again. If you're already walking, leaders can go quick, slow. And you can jockey, which is just a series of slow steps, for as much as you want to ease your transitions and to try to get back on beat together.
Yep, and for leaders and follows both, remember to keep your arms roughly firewood carrying height and to make sure that we're not just staying up on our toes, we're also not leaning back on our heels. That we are able to take steps, but that we are doing so with a comfortable posture.
That was pretty much it.